Today's topic is algebraic expression. Now, what is algebra? Whenever we are using a combination of constants and variables, they become algebraic expressions. Constants can be 1, 2, 3, basically any number which is an integer, whole number that is a number that begins with 0, or any fraction. It can be anything, absolutely anything, which is in form of a number. So these are constant. These are called constant because their values remain the same. So that's why they are called constant, because their values are constant. The second thing that we're going to talk about is variable. Variable can be A, B, C, X, Y, Z, or maybe a phi, any symbol. So these are called variables because their values vary. For an example, if I say X is equal to 3 and Y is equal to 2. Therefore, if I write X plus Y, it means that the value of X over here is 3 and the value of Y over here is 2. So it becomes 5. On the other hand, if I say that the value of X is 1 and value of Y is 2, therefore using the same expression, that is X plus Y, their value will differ. That is, if I write X plus Y, then X over here means 1 and Y means 2. So it becomes 3. So you can see, using the same expression, that is X plus Y, the values differ because the values of X and Y's change. Over here it was 3 and over here it is 1. On the other hand, here it is value of Y was 2 and over here the value of Y is 2. But if it's about constant, if I say 3 plus 2, then it has to be 5 and nothing else under any circumstance whatsoever. Once we are done with it and we understand that an algebraic expression is a combination of both constant and variable, we have to come across a word which is called terms. So terms means algebraic expression which are separated using an operator either plus or minus. For an example, 3x plus 5y. Over here, 3x, nothing written at the beginning, it means plus 3x. So 3x and plus 5y, these are the two terms. Similarly, if I add another term like 7x square minus 3y square, so these are all becoming terms. So this becomes another term, this becomes another term, so they become 4 terms. So any expression that are separated by mathematical operations such as plus or minus makes a terms. Now, on the basis of terms, there are some terms which are known as monomial. If there is an algebraic expression which has got only one term, mono means one, so only one term, then that is called a monomial. Monomial can be only 3x or it can be minus 2x by y, anything which has only one term. Minus 2x by y, it actually means minus 2x divided by y. But as I told you, division sign is not considered, only plus or minus. Similarly, there is another type of term that is called binomial. Here, the word binomial, bi means 2. So, naturally, it has got 2 terms. Like for an example, 3x plus 2y. Anything which is separated by operators like plus or minus. Only, nothing else. Next, multiplication and division are not considered. Next is trinomial. Again, trinomial, it means an expression that has 3 terms because tri means 3. So it has 3 terms. For an example, it can be 5x minus 3y plus 2x square for an example. So see 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 terms. Any expression that has more than 3 terms is known as polynomial. So poly means many. So they have many terms and many terms means more than 3. We will consider because we know till trinomial we have already written all the terms using 3 terms. So that is why more than 3 terms becomes polynomial. Like naturally 4 or 5 terms like 3x square plus 4y square minus 3xy plus 2x square y. So this way, if there are more than at least 3 terms, then it becomes polynomial. That is, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, with this basic knowledge, we are going to solve some problems. See, it said that identify the following as monomial, binomial, or trinomial. So, see over here, there is 5p, q, and r square. But the problem is this is differentiated by terms multiplications, not addition or subtraction. So operator used over here is multiplication. So if we solve it, it actually becomes 5p/q/r square. So it is basically one term. So that's why we are going to term it as monomial. That is, it has only one term. Because you understand, if it was 5p plus q, that is, instead of multiply, if there was a plus, then it would have remained in this order only, that is 5p plus q plus r, that is, it would have three terms in that case, and it would become trinomial. But over in here, in this case, because the operators are multiplications, it becomes monomial. Similarly, see, we have got another question. See, there is 5a square minus 3b square plus c by 2. So if we break it up, expand it, it actually becomes 5a square by 2 minus 3b square by 2 plus c by 2. So this is basically the thing, and if we take the 2 as common LCM, then what it becomes is this. So this is basically the same thing. So over here you can see there are operators such as a minus and a plus sign. So total we've got how many terms? 1, 2 and 3. So this is named as trinomial because it has got 3 terms. Now degrees. What is degree? Any term, any expression, the highest power in the expression is its degree. Like over here you can see 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms and 4 terms because they are all separated by either a plus or a minus. So there are 4 terms. So we can name it as a polynomial because it has got more than 3 terms. So this is a polynomial with degree. Now if you are asked to find the degree, check what will be the degree. The degree will be, see, a to the power 3. This is the degree, b to the power 2, 4, b to the power 4. So b to the power 4 is actually the highest power that we have. So my degree will be 4.